What is it gonna be?
I don't know.
A book?
Is it a book?
Yep.
Do you like books?
Yep.
What kind of book?
It's a special book.
I'm sure it is a special book.
And you might open it.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so special. It's so special. It's so special. Rip it all up. Rip it all up. I just. Oh, it's really a big book.
Let's see it. Can you hold it up? Do you have it out yet?
Cheese. There's 2 books in there.
Wow, what books are they?
They're special books.
Let me see. That one's about trains. Oh, look, there's another one, Kate.
There's 100 of them.
There's 100 of them? Wow.
Special Christmas book.
Wow.
It's a special Christmas book.
Oh, goodness.